YouTube has come such a long way since it launched back in 2005. It now offers a wide range of video content brought to you by professional filmmakers comparable to what you see in movies and televisions. Today I am gonna show you some of the most common YouTube video content styles that are extremely popular on YouTube today. So let's start. Number 15. Animals. Nervous about getting on camera? Got a cute pet to film instead? Then you have got yourself a YouTube channel idea. And you don't even have to be in the videos if you don't want. It would be an understatement to say that the internet loves cute animals. No, the internet is hopelessly obsessed with them. Just point a camera at your dog or cat or hamster or whatever animal you want and hit play. Number 14. News or entertainment. A lot of people do really well on YouTube by vlogging or doing comedy videos on newsworthy topics or celebrity gossip. Philip DeFranco is one such YouTuber who has always been at the top of the news games with the Philip DeFranco Show. Comparable to starting a YouTube channel, offering life advice, you can even put a spin on news and entertainment by offering your own comments and opinions on stories you decide to cover. Number 13. Animation. Do you have a passion for animation? YouTube is one of the best platforms for sharing your artistic creations. Create animated shorts, web series shows, or even long movies to build a following and get feedback from your viewers. In fact, sharing your art like this on YouTube could set you up for getting discovered by people who may be able to give you bigger opportunities, like their dream animation job or a collaborative project with another artist. Number 12. Lifestyle advice. YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google, so you can bet that people are searching for terms that might bring them closer to solving one of their problems. From health and relationships to money and career, you can certainly establish yourself as an expert in any particular field that you are willing to give advice about based off your knowledge, education, or personal experience. Even better, you can ask viewers to comment what they want advice on in future videos from you. Number 11. Comedy. If you have great acting skills or just a knack for telling hilarious jokes, you could turn that into something that entertains people enough to subscribe and share your ideas. Comedic sketches are on the way of doing that. You could also combine any of the blogging or education with comedy to put a fun spin on it. You can make almost anything funny if you get really creative. Number 10. Education. Whether you plan on pursuing a doctorate in some particular scientific field or you just simply enjoy being a geek as a hobby, sharing what you know on YouTube is a great way to teach and inform thousands of viewers across the world about something you are deeply passionate and knowledgeable about. And hey, it will challenge your presentation skills. You'll get bonus points from your viewership if you can teach and present in an engaging, casual way that's easy to understand. Number 9. Traveling. What could be more exciting than traveling to a new place? Even if you just stay relatively local, lots of viewers who haven't traveled there before will most definitely be interested in what's around there. Lots of YouTubers creators combine the travel theme with vlogging, taking their cameras with them while documenting and describing the places they visit. It's a great way to show viewers whether or not a place is worth checking out. Number 8. Cooking. Recipes with lists of ingredients and step-by-step instructions are great, but like most how-to stuff, nothing beats seeing it live in action. With cooking videos, viewers get to see exactly which technique you use and get a glimpse at how the combined ingredients should look at each stage. Even if you've got the simplest meal or snack ideas, it's worth sharing them on YouTube. People are always looking for recipe ideas that are easy and practical. Number 7. Musical instrument playing or singing. Get some musical talent? Then you sure can share it on YouTube. Not only is music huge on YouTube with stereo integration, but original songs or covers by everyday normal people like you are just as interesting to listen and watch. Tons of artists and bands have been discovered on YouTube, and these days it's pretty standard for most musical people or groups to start channel if they dream of taking their career to next level. Number 6. Computer tutorials. People will always be perplexed and confused by technology. Rather than digging out the old product manual, more people are turning to YouTube. Remember, YouTube is the world's second largest search engine. You can find everything from JavaScript coding and PC troubleshooting to Photoshop editing and iPhone jailbreak. You don't have to be a tech whiz. All you need to do is show helpful techniques that you already know how to execute. Number 5. Makeup tutorials. Makeup, hair, skincare, fashion and other related beauty requirements often regard being seen. It's far easier to master a wing eyeliner effect by watching someone else do it rather than reading a bunch of steps in plain text. Makeup and beauty channels are popular choice among young women on YouTube. Michael Fan is one of the examples. She has one of the most recognized channels in this category. But there are thousands of beauty gurus out there sharing the amazing talents and style choices. Number 4. Gaming. People share to playing video games. Amazingly, they love watching other people play games too. PewDiePie is the channel that currently rules over gaming on YouTube with over 46 million subscribers. Viewers generally like to watch YouTubers play games as they give commentary, either to gain insight into how to play better for themselves or simply as a form of entertainment. Number 3. Product or service reviewing. Unboxing videos shows what you get from a product, but oftentimes prospective consumers go looking for people who have already tried, tested and using the product for a certain amount of time. And it doesn't have to be gadget related. People upload reviews for anything and everything. What kinds of things do you use already that you could turn into useful and informative video review? Number 2. Unboxing cool products. In the world of high-end consumer electronics, unboxing is a big deal and a huge trend on YouTube. When a new product is launched, this type of videos start popping up and catch audience attention who are searching for product to decide whether it's worth buying for themselves. Product owners film themselves opening the box product for the first time to show its contents as it comes. And the last but not the least, number 1 is vlogging your life. Vlogging is one of the easiest way to get started in YouTube channel because you don't need extra equipment other than a device with a camera that can capture video content. Vloggers generally spend time talking to camera about their own lives, thoughts, opinions, concerns, and even current news topics or events. It's totally open-ended and is considered to be video equivalent or writing in a diary, journal, or personal blog. So what are you waiting for? Pick up some of the great ideas and start a YouTube career. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.